Hello ChoroQ collectors, I'm always finding new stuff here. This is a ChoroQ number 29, and it's, I don't think this is the original packaging, but it's a Porsche 956, which is a very infamous race car. It's one of the most successful race cars of all time, I believe. So these are a couple of the Le Mans winning cars, I think, and here we go. These things are so small, they're hard to hold. Unfortunately, we don't have the racing livery on this one, but I go with what I can find. I wonder, please leave a comment if you've seen these models with these liveries. So unfortunately, I'm now noticing a giant chunk of, a lot of silver paint missing from the side of this one. Alright, let's see here. Now the black wheels are actually pretty accurate, you know, being black 5-spokes. There we go. Yeah, so it's used. Maybe it was just scratched up, being played with by a kid or something like that. The wheel gaps are pretty atrocious. I'm gonna probably come back with the lowered stance. A little sticker here, Choro-Q. We've got some NACA duct details, some other ducts, fuel ports, I guess. A little printed on a racing wiper. And then here, I think that's a tow hook. Yep. And then this is a clear plastic. And then this one actually has real vents going all the way through to the back. Interesting. It's got that little red and yellow motor. So how old is this? 2001. Alright, so 20 years old now. Let's just pop this open since I'm going to lower the stance anyways. I'll just show you how these things are painted. I just find it interesting that they're able to get silver paint on this without messing up the canopy like that, right? So there we go. Yeah, it's just one piece of plastic. Yeah, or maybe not. No, I think the canopy is a different piece of plastic because it's got a melt mark there. So that's weird. Well, I guess that is how they kept, you know, the separation so good. This is a separate piece. Alright, well, what do you know? Alright, I'm going to come back with a lowered stance. I'm going to take these wheels off the axles and just use putty. Alright, so the putty makes the stance a lot nicer. So as compared to a couple other models, I coincidentally have this 1985 winner, which is the same as the photograph. And then I have a 1982 winner, but this number is different. It's number 1. These are 187 scale models. They're made by Spark Model. They're absolutely amazing. Like, the details of these surpass most 164 scale models. So it's just miracles in model making, really. Okay. Looking at a couple other Le Mans racing cars here. We have a Ford GT40. Here's an Audi, boy, what is this? Audi R8 from 2004. Probably won that race as well. Here's a Nissan R390 GT1. I don't think that ever won Le Mans though. But this Mazda 787B did. And then this last one did not win. It's a Mazda 737C, which is a totally different deformation. Like, it's extra long. Okay, so I like Le Mans racing, or Le Mans racing, and all their cars. So I'm going to keep growing this collection as long as I can find new castings. Alright, let's let get these guys out of here. Let this thing go for a spin on its own. And today we're going to let R2-D2 drive this guy. He's got a silver domed head, so... Alright, well, very cool. If you guys know of any other castings of Le Mans prototype racers by Choro-Q or things that look similar, please let me know. I'll definitely seek them out. Alright, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next Choro review.